Hey, Becky Thames here, and in this video I wanted to share with you how you can have multiple streams of income on the internet. And I'm a huge fan of having multiple streams of income because one little thing can close up shop for you, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to show you my personal progression on how I have multiple streams of income. So first I started selling on eBay. I highly recommend that you learn how to sell on eBay because it is a firm, very firm foundation for every single thing that I did online. The very next step that I absolutely love is Amazon. I always talk about Amazon. You know, I'm the Amazon queen, absolutely love it. And I recommend that you get to learn how to sell on Amazon as well. I also sell products on Walmart, so I would recommend that you learn how to sell your products on Walmart. So that's 3 platforms that you can sell on: eBay, Amazon, Walmart. Next, I went to my own Shopify store. Now, this is not my store. I don't want to take the claim for it, but we'll just go to shop now, and you can see this particular store. I have no clue whose it is, but it's a pretty cool store. And what I did, you can see they have 161 pages of products in their Shopify store. So what I did is I found their store on Google, and it's Blue Fire Store, and this is what I did for my own store. Is you create a Facebook page called here's their Facebook page, let me get off of this, called Blue Fire Store. But one thing, okay, so I found their Facebook page called Blue Fire Store, but one thing I wanted to show you is this particular item is a wine glass stopper, and then they're asking $22. I found the exact wine glass stopper for $7, and that includes free shipping. So $7 selling for $21. So that's like triple their price, right? So that's the exact same thing you can do with your own Shopify store, which I highly recommend that you get to this because you have control over everything. The only thing you would need to do is drive Facebook traffic. And the last thing that I do is I actually sell education to learn how to private label your own products. So you can go to privatelabelcourse.com. If you're just starting out with eBay, you can go to makemoneywithbecky.com. And this is my progression. I went from eBay to Amazon to Walmart to my own Shopify store to selling on Facebook and my own private label course. So I hope this information gives you some ideas of things that you can do to have multiple streams of income online. See you in the next video.